Hello everyone. You may have heard about 11,000 crore scam in PNB Bank by Nirav Modi, and due to that PNB is falling drastically since few days. And I I will show you over here how much percentage it fall down within few days. So you just check in over here, which is 27%. It fell to more than 25% in 6 days. And over here you can see one green candle. This is because LIC confirmed its stake in PNB, which was 10%, and they don't want to do anything with that. They don't want to move out or want to add anything into PNB. So LIC just confirmed that it will hold their position. So due to that, stock just surge on that day, but later on the other day it fell down again. So this is just the market psychology, where any kind of announcement will make a reverse turn into the stock. So I'll show you over here when news came and what happened down there. So this is where news came that LIC is about to hold their position and they don't want to do anything with it. So that's where reversal into the stock came for a while. And you can check over here that this is the heavy candle at 12:33, and it went above its RSI zone of 65. So this is an overbought zone which I had placed, where to know the major movement, because in standard deviation we won't be able to know that if any major or bulk deals would happen into any particular stock. See, if you check into this all candles, you won't come to know that what's happening. It's all retail traders, so there is nothing much into this. But in this RSI strategy, you will come to know that something big is happening into the stock. So if it is going above 65, then there is a bulk buying, and if it's falling below 35, then there is a big chance of stock to fall down. So these candles show a clear indication that stock is about to move up, and after that you can just check how much percentage it went high. So if we can check top, then it is more than 4.5%. so the stock is falling mostly above 5% every day since 5-6 days, but on this day it went as high as 4.5%. And later on profit was booked, or it sell on rally. So later on it fell down again. So this is what happened in PNB, and you can see over here at the opening of the market, it opened in a gap down position, sorry. So it was a clear indication that stock was about to fall down, and so the scam was big, and due to that this stock was falling so badly. And it's better to stay away from this stock, or else you will burn your hands. And if you check Gitanjali jams, it is in a lower circuit position. It's been more than, I think, 50 or above something. Yes, it's more than 50%. It is 57% fall since 6 days. So after this news appears, it's been falling down so badly. So this is what is happening into PNB and Gitanjali. But I'll show you what happened in Fortis as well. So if you would like to check this strategy at back end, then you can check with yourself as well. But it's better to stay away from such type of stocks which is badly under negative news, so you won't fall into a heavy loss. So So there was news in Fortis as well. You may have heard about that Singh brothers scam, and due to that, Fortis was falling since few days. So let's check over here how much it fell down. So it was more than 30%, and later on it recovered. So this is where news came about Radhakrishnan Damani had purchased some stake into the company, and that's why the stocks rallied as well. So this is the day. So on this day, even just check over here, so more than 8% it recovered after the after some fall into it. So you can clearly see over here that 65, the stock went into a 65 zone, and it went as high as 152 from 140 something. So, and you can check into the volume candles that most of them into was green candles in heavy buying. So after the news appears that RK Damani picks 0.5% stake into the company, stock rallies 4%. After market opens, it fell down almost 10%, but later on it ended up around 4% something. So this is what a negative or positive news will do to a particular stock, and these are something bulk deals which we won't come to know. It's up to us that how we keep a stop loss and trade wisely, so that we can not get into a loss. Also, we can use this strategy to make maximum profit from this type of news. So this is just an example of news based trading, and this is the indicator RSI, where you will come to know that something is happening into the stock, or else we retail traders won't come to know until news flash onto the TV or any article or somewhere into the news feeds. Till that time, there would most of the thing would have happened into the stock. So this type of technical tools will help you out that there is something happening into the market. So this is all I want to tell you. So trade wisely and keep learning. Thank you so much, guys.